In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to truncate text in Webflow in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline the presentation of text on your website, or if you want to give your design a cleaner, more professional appearance, then understanding how to truncate text is a key skill for every Webflow user. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to Webflow. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and once you're logged in, navigate over to your Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub on Webflow, where you can access all your projects. From the dashboard, open the specific website you want to work on. This is where you'll make the text adjustments needed to ensure the truncation is set just the way you like it. Once your site is opened, the next thing to do is to locate the text you wish to truncate. It might be in a paragraph, heading, or any other text element that could benefit from truncation. Now, let's talk a little bit about what truncating text means. Essentially, the truncate setting controls how overflow text is displayed. When overflow is hidden and line breaking is set to no wrap, truncation becomes especially relevant. You have two main options for truncating text: clip and ellipsis. The clip option is straightforward. It simply cuts off the overflow text sharply at the end. This option is useful for maintaining a concise look without any additional visual elements. But if you're aiming for a slightly more indicative presentation of truncated content, you might prefer the ellipsis option. This adds an ellipsis, those 3 little dots, to suggest to the viewer that there's more content hidden. So, how do you set this truncation behavior in Webflow? Begin by selecting the text element on the canvas. It could be a rich text block, a paragraph, or whichever text element you're working with. With the text element selected, head over to the Style panel. Within the Style panel, go to the Typography section, then to More Type Options, and finally to Truncate. Here, you'll find the options to select either clip or ellipsis for your truncation needs. And that's it. You've now successfully adjusted the truncation settings for your text in Webflow. Remember, this small but effective tool can significantly enhance the visual coherence of your web layout by managing lengthy text appearances precisely how you want them. Now, you're all set with a cleaner, more user-friendly design. Thanks for joining me today as we streamlined your Webflow skills. Keep experimenting and perfecting your web projects with these simple yet powerful techniques. See you in the next video.